my son put this bird cage out, which is a trapper. And this morning, we come to this beautiful bird being trapped. Obviously, we will be letting him go later today. We will not be keeping him. This was just an experiment, an old trapper cage that my son had. And he wanted to try his luck. And he's been putting bananas in here the last 3 days. And lo and behold, he actually trapped a beautiful bird. But don't worry. Don't worry. We will be letting him go here in a little bit, okay? So he's going to be let go to be free.
¿Cómo está? Presta más.
¿Ah?
Presta más.
¿Qué?
Así con ese gallito para adentro, se pone la otra tapa, la pone ahí, otra vez presta cuatro.
¿Otra?
Sí, porque ahí la canta, ahí hay más colores de eso. Está con los blancos, con
Atrapó un pájaro.
Mire.
Atrapó un pájaro. Pero más tarde lo vamos a soltar.
High five.
My son had this bird trapping cage, and he's been watching it for 3 days, and he caught this beautiful red bird. But we will be releasing him very shortly. We will not be keeping him. He belongs in the wild. But my son was able to actually catch a bird. So it worked for him. Vea que mi hijo pudo atrapar un pajarito en esta jaulita vieja. Entonces ahorita mismo lo vamos a soltar. No lo vamos a mantener porque este pajarito merece estar libre. Entonces ya lo vamos a soltar. So here we have the cage, and now Luna wants to see what we have, and April does too. Again, no worries everybody. The bird will be released very, very shortly. No, you cannot eat that bird, April. No, Luna. Oh, no, oh. Be careful, Luna. Be careful. What is that? Is that a bird? Is that a bird? That's a beautiful bird. That's a beautiful bird. And we're going to let you go real soon, okay? We're about to let you go. Don't you worry. We'll let you go. Alright, so we have the birdie loose. And we'll let April smell. Smell. Luna, smell. See? No, sit. Be nice. Be nice. Luna? Say Luna. Luna, here. No. No. No, so alright. Well, Luna wanted to eat her. So, we can't have that. See if we can get some of these beautiful colors again. Beautiful bird. All right. Here. And there she went. Released.